Everyone has run over a nail and damaged a tire. But these days, rules from the National Highway and Transportation Safety Board determine if and how the tire can be safely repaired. A simple puncture between these two grooves of the tire can be repaired. Anything outside these specific grooves can weaken the structural integrity of the tire and should always be replaced. Repairing a tire is also not as simple as it used to be. Plugs are now for off-road use only, so a correct repair job requires breaking down the tire and using a patch on the inside. Remember, when in doubt, replace the tire. Cuts on the sidewall and punctures outside the repairable area can be very dangerous. Be sure and replace your tires with the correct size and ratings recommended by the manufacturer of your vehicle. Keep in mind that GM price matches every tire brand. So consider Gwatney for all your tire repair and replacement needs. For Auto Matters, I'm Jamie Cobb.